Welcome to a quick overview video of Cobalt's EBMS software. We'll start with opening the application. When you open EBMS, a login window will appear. If you have multiple company data sets, you can select them through the company dropdown. Today we'll use quality hardware. For this particular user on this particular demo data set, I have an empty password, so I can leave the password box blank and just click OK. Now, when EBMS first opens, you'll be greeted by this home screen. Across the bottom are various support links. The middle contains quick links around the application. But in order to help navigate the application without having to go back to this home screen, this menu bar at the top allows navigation across the application no matter where you're at. So if you have your financials open, but you need to go to your inventory, instead of going back to the home screen, you can just click inventory and then whichever option you are looking for. Now, to orient you where you can find your options, if you're looking for options across EBMS, you would click File, System Options, and this panel addresses the entire software. So one that I like to have fun with are customizations. You can open up this tab and help tailor EBMS to your particular workflows. But if you're looking for options specific to a given section, you would just click that menu, such as sales, and at the bottom you'll find options. And now these options are specific to the sales section of EBMS. For example, shipping manager is where you would go to set up various shipping methods. Now I'd like to show you a couple other UI elements of EBMS. To do that, I'm going to open up our customers list. Now we won't really talk about the customer documents themselves. I just wanted to show you some elements of the UI. So on the left are categories, and in this right panel are the customer records themselves. So I can double click to open one up. Now in this customer document, you've seen these before already in the settings windows, but we have these tabs. So for this given document, all these tabs are related to this given customer. So for example, if I'm interested in seeing the invoices for this customer, I'll click invoices and those will be pulled up for me. Now, one thing that EBMS does well is it lets you drill down into the details behind what you're seeing in front of you. So if I want to know what this invoice is, I can just double click. And now the invoice document appears. Another way you can drill down is by right-clicking. So for example, I want to learn more about this given product. I can just right-click, select Lookup, and then that product document opens for me. So say I'm done working here, now I'm ready to go back to my home screen. I can do that a few different ways. For this particular document, I can click Cancel. For this invoice, I click the red X up in the upper right. And while I could click the upper X here on this customer document, I can also just use the escape key. Now that we're back at the customer list, would like to note for you that if I click the red X here, I would actually be closing EBMS entirely. So instead, I'll click the small X beneath it. And now